Hey, hi traders, welcome back to this new video. In our last video we discussed about the drop based rally pattern, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about the rally based drop pattern. This is nothing but which exactly opposite version of the previous video, nothing but the drop based rally. Okay, actually this is a rally based drop, which means a short move up followed by a short accumulation phase, then a sharp drop. Okay, this base area is considered to be the supply zone because the banks that sold the market still have some quantities in the same zone. Okay, and this price is very attractive for other banks. So when the market returns to test this zone, means after this breakout, when the market returns to this zone or this resistance, then you go for short here. Okay, means there is a high probability that market can go down. So you can see a sample example in this Bank Nifty chart. So there is a rally here. Okay, then it created a base. So once a breakout is done, the market fell down. Means a rally, base and drop. So this area is nothing but a supply zone. Okay. And another example in the same Bank Nifty chart on the 4 hours time frame, there was a rally here, right? And then suddenly it created a base. Okay, this is the base, and breakout is here, retested, the market fallen here. Means this is a rally, base and drop. So what you have to do is just simply follow the footprint of big players and book the profits along with the big institutional players. So as you can see here, when the market returned to test the supply zone, prices were rejected and the market went down very strongly, right? So now we need to understand why the price goes strongly down, because the quantities left in this zone are quite enough to drop the market, or the market will still need time to accumulate some enough quantities. So we can see only few candles that form an accumulation phase here, right, before a strong move. So if you find patterns like these where the market rallies and drops surprisingly, these setups are still considered a rally based drop. Okay, so now your job is to identify these kind of patterns in your charts and practice well.